So in this lesson, we are going to deal with gas law, and the equations we are going to deal with are the ones that are going to give us a relationship between the equations. Maybe for the gas law, we're going to go to deal with Charles law, Boyle's law, and combined gas law equation for the whole of the gas laws that we know that exist in chemistry. So for this equation, let us deal with Boyle's. For Boyle's law, I'm not sure if that's the correct I'm not sure if that is the correct spelling for the word Boyle's, but yeah, let me Boyle's, yeah, Boyle's. Good. So I'm going to deal with Boyle's law, which state that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas, is inversely proportional to its pressure at a constant temperature. So the volume of a constant mass is direct proportional to is inversely proportional to its temperature at a constant pressure, which can be related to volume is equals to temperature, or V over T is equals to constant. Yeah. Now for the case of Charles' law of equation, this now states that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas at a constant pressure is direct proportional to its Kelvin temperature. That V is direct proportional to temperature, which can be noted, or V is direct proportional to its temperature over constant. Now the general gas is an equation is given by, for the general gas equation, which combining the Boyle's law, this one here, and the Charles law, this can be given by a general gas law. Is given by given by pressure 1 over V1 over T1 is equals to P2, which is pressure 2 times volume 2 all over temperature 2. And this is the general rules of the whole equation that we can have for the whole gas law equations. I'm going to give a summary of this. That Boyle's law states that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas, is inversely proportional to its pressure at a constant temperature. The same as that for the Charles law, that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas at a constant pressure, now it's not temperature, is it's the same as at a constant pressure is directly proportional to its Kelvin temperature, which is given by the equation that I write here for the Charles law. Is for the Boyle's. Now the combine is combining equation 1 with equation 2, which give us equation 3, which is the combined gas law for the whole general equations. For if you want to compute for any computation relating to pressure, temperature, and volume, we are going to use the whole of these 3 equations: Boyle's law, Charles law, and combined gas law. Yeah.